Hello everyone. In this video, we will be looking at how to generate a sequence through recursive computation using CAS calculator. So as you know, when we say recursive computation, we are looking at the recurrence rule and we'll be creating or generating sequences step by step. So in recursive computation, it's really important to look at your equation or the recurrence rule that explains you to get to the next term, what do you do to the previous term? Now, in this first example, the recurrence rule states to get to the next term, which is tn plus 1, you need to take away 4 from the previous term. Where the first term of the sequence is 12. So you'll start with 12 and then you take away 4 from the you'll start with 12. So the first term is 12, the second term would be 12 minus 4 and so on. How do we create this on a CAS calculator? So I'm going to show you this computation, recursive computation on CAS. Now, if you know how to use this on CAS, it will make your life easier and you can work quicker. So you will save some time. So make sure you have good practice on it. So we'll go to our calculator page. So we need to first look at the starting term. The starting term is 12. So you first enter the starting term and then you press enter. Pressing enter is important because you're locking your starting term, because your CAS needs to know from where are you starting. And then you uh, put in your whatever the operation order of operation is. So you need to follow the order of operations. So you do take away because we are taking away 4. So you take away 4 and then enter. So second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. So you got all the 6 terms. Now, what if instead of take away 4, I'm multiplying it by 4? So you follow the same thing. First term, enter, and you lock it. And then instead of taking away 4, you multiply it by 4. Enter, 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 enter. So one term, so when we are adding or subtracting, so it is arithmetic sequence. When we are multiplying, it's a geometric sequence because it's using a multiplicative factor. Now, when it's a combination of both multiplication and addition, so you need to follow the BODMAS, which says you do division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So you apply that rule first. So you can see you multiply first and then you add or subtract. So that's what you need to do for when it's a combination of both arithmetic and geometric sequence. So the starting term here is 5. So I'm going to press 5, enter. Now you can see, so according to the BODMAS, division or multiplication, so we are using multiplying first. So times 3 and then plus 2 all at once that you need to do. So 17, 53, 61 and so on. So once you enter, so applying BODMAS, you do all at once and press enter. That will give you the second term and henceforth the remaining terms of the sequence by keep on pressing enter. Okay, and you can generate any number of terms. At this point of time, in the exam, they might ask you for 6 terms, first 10 terms. You can, which is quite practical when they ask you to find 200th term. Then we're going to use a general rule to find the future value of nth term. So that's a different rule that you need to follow. Make sure you have good practice for recursive computation. So this video is for recursive computation using arithmetic, geometric, and the combination of both. Bye for now.